Hi everyone. Everything I'm going to show you in this video has been checked by the mechanics at the shop where I'm at right now, so don't worry. We're going to fix your car's issue together thanks to this. If you're ever driving your Jeep and suddenly see the message that says, "Stop safely, vehicle will shut off soon," the first thing you probably think is, the car is going to turn off any second, I'm going to be stranded. But take a deep breath. This message doesn't mean your Jeep is acting crazy or trying to fail on purpose. That's why you might notice the engine feels loose, or the electrical system acts weird just before the warning appears. According to the mechanics, the most common cause is the batteries, both the main and the auxiliary. If either of them has unstable voltage, is weak or old, the system gets nervous and triggers the warning. There are even cases where the batteries are new, but the voltage fluctuates too much, and the Jeep interprets it as a problem. That's why, many times, simply checking and making sure both batteries are in good condition can make the message disappear. Along the same lines, another point that can cause issues is the fuses and relays related to the charging system and the ESS. A blown fuse or a loose relay can trick the system and trigger the message on the dashboard. That's why mechanics always check this before replacing more expensive parts. But it doesn't stop there, because wires and connectors can also cause trouble. Moisture, corrosion, or a loose connector can give wrong readings and make the Jeep panic. That's why it's crucial to check all the wiring carefully before thinking about replacing anything costly. Now, keep this in mind. Sometimes the message appears just because of environmental conditions. Extreme cold, intense heat, or humidity can confuse the system. After driving a little or letting the system stabilize, the message might disappear on its own. So, what should you do before panicking? First, make sure the batteries are good and the voltage is stable. Second, check the fuses and relays for the charging system and ESS. Third, inspect connectors and wiring for corrosion or looseness. And if, after all that, the message keeps appearing, it's best to get a professional diagnosis with an advanced scanner to see which module or sensor is causing the alert. One important detail: clearing the message doesn't fix anything if the real cause is still there. It's like covering a hole with tape. It's going to come back sooner or later. But by following these steps, most mechanics have been able to get Jeeps running normally again, without spending a fortune and without getting stranded on the road.